what GPT-6 will be able to do based on leaks and trends. GPT-6 hasn't been released yet, but the leaks, internal reports, and the trends we're already seeing in AI tell a powerful story. If these predictions are correct, GPT-6 won't be just another upgrade. It will be a turning point, a moment where AI moves from being a useful assistant to something much closer to a true partner. Today, we're diving into what GPT-6 may be able to do, why experts are excited and worried, and how it could completely reshape human life and intelligence. To understand where GPT-6 is heading, we need to look back at how far we've come. GPT-3 could write basic paragraphs. GPT-4 brought reasoning, coding, and complex analysis. GPT-5 is expected to introduce advanced memory, better planning skills, and stronger multimodal abilities. But GPT-6 is where everything accelerates. Every increase in model size unlocks new abilities, not because developers program them, but because intelligence emerges naturally as the model grows more complex. With GPT-6, we may cross a line where AI feels less like a tool and more like a collaborator. One of the biggest expected upgrades is autonomous reasoning. GPT-6 will likely solve large problems by breaking them down, planning long-term steps, and executing tasks without constant prompting. Instead of waiting for instructions, it may predict your needs. You could tell it you want to start an online store, and GPT-6 could generate products, build the website, write the marketing copy, manage customer messages, and run the entire operation. In other words, GPT-6 could act like a full digital workforce in a single system. Another powerful change will be expanded memory. Today's models forget most past conversations unless specifically designed to store them. But early documentation hints that GPT-6 might have persistent, long-term memory, remembering your preferences, your tone, your goals, and even your life history. This would create an incredibly personalized AI experience. It could understand you better than your closest friends because it would track your habits and decisions over time. But this also raises big questions. If GPT-6 remembers everything, who controls that memory? And how private is private? We should also expect GPT-6 to be dramatically more multimodal. It won't just read text. It may understand video, audio, images, and real-time environments. It could look through your device camera to identify objects, translate live conversations, sense emotion in someone's voice, or guide you in real-time decisions. Instead of typing to an assistant, you could be interacting with an intelligent companion present in every moment of your daily life. Coding will also be transformed. Earlier models can write code, but they struggle with full understanding. GPT-6 may design entire software systems, build interfaces, maintain code bases, and solve complex bugs. A single person could create apps, websites, and digital tools that normally take a whole team. This could reshape industries, empower creators, and speed up innovation like never before. Another shift we may see is advanced emotional intelligence. GPT-6 could analyze tone, understand facial expressions, detect stress, and respond with empathy that feels natural. For some, this will be comforting AI as a coach, mentor, or emotional companion. But for others, it may blur the line between genuine and artificial connection. If AI becomes emotionally perfect, human relationships could be affected in unpredictable ways. Some experts even believe GPT-6 could show early signs of general intelligence, thinking across unfamiliar tasks, teaching itself new skills, and understanding abstract ideas more deeply. This level of intelligence is powerful and unpredictable, could push AI beyond the boundaries we've set. But with all this power comes serious risk. GPT-6 could generate misinformation faster than truth can keep up. It could impersonate anyone, create realistic deepfakes, and influence opinions at scale. Without strong safeguards, this level of AI could destabilize trust, institutions, and even economies. Still, GPT-6 also holds the potential to accelerate scientific discovery, improve healthcare, transform education, and empower creators everywhere. The future depends on how responsibly we use it. GPT-6 may be the model that brings humanity face-to-face with the next chapter of intelligence. The question isn't whether it's coming, it's whether we'll be ready for what it means. Make sure you subscribe for Day 5, because tomorrow's episode will explain exactly how AI learned to think and why that may be the next big leap toward human-level intelligence.